All right, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. This is David over here at Dee's Garage. Here we go, guys. We got another GMC AT4. Beautiful truck, man. I want one of these trucks. We're going to be doing some cab lights. We're going to go ahead and install some new cab lights on this puppy. Brand new spanking truck, 2024 GMC AT4. This is just a beautiful truck. Too bad it didn't come with cab lights. Clearance lights. So here we are at Dee's Garage. We got some OEM cab lights from GM along with the harness. Want to be sharing some part numbers with you guys. As some of you guys know, if you've been trying to get a hold of these lights here, they're on back order because of the whole GM strike. So if you're trying to get them, forget it. I have a few of them in stock. These things are selling like hotcakes. I got 2 sets in stock already. Like I said, they're selling like hotcakes, baby. Got a lot of work here at the shop today. It is a Saturday here in Corona. We got to wrap it up. We got that truck. We're still finishing up the radio installation, speakers, backup camera, full sound system on that one, radio installation on that one. So let's go ahead and get this puppy started. Here's how it looks now. And I'll be taking you guys along and I'll show you how it looks after. Man, baby, let's go. Dee's Garage. All right, guys, so we got everything taken apart. We're getting ready to install this beautiful light. We got our cuts done for the most part. Got that center done. This one done. We're gonna mount this puppy up real quick. Look at that. Woo. Beautiful. Almost done. All right, guys, so that's all good there. So people ask me if they're gonna leak. So this is what I do. I put an extra piece of silicone on all these little parts here so that we don't get any water leaks. It's just as the safety. Alrighty, guys, so the tough part is complete. Cab lights are installed, drilled, cut, punched a hole, primered the hole, installed the lights, and added silicone. Took me about a good 2 hours, maybe a little bit longer. And now we gotta continue with the wiring. The wiring. This should be a piece of cake. All right, so we got our wiring harness all done. It's pretty smooth. Is this here? It's all nice and clean, original. Looks good. Let's go. Alrighty guys, just finished up the truck. Everything's done, put back together. Cab lights installed, nicely sealed. That's how it looks now with the cab lights. Wait till it hits nighttime. Woo! Those puppies are gonna look nice and shiny. Alrighty folks, that's it for this one. 2024 AT4 HD, cab lights installed. We also wrapped the reflectors here on the side. Done deal. Let us know if we can help you guys out here at D's Garage in Corona, baby. Let's go.